Course recap and next steps, finalizing key takeaways and planning for implementation. Alright, let's take a deep breath and digest all the incredible information we just absorbed. This course was a fire hose of knowledge, and now it's time to sift through the gems and figure out how to transform them into action. So, what are the key takeaways, the golden threads that will weave their way into our future endeavors? First and foremost, we've been schooled in the essential skills of mastering digital product sales with ThriveCart. We've learned product creation, craft compelling product descriptions, structure your offerings for maximum value, and leverage powerful tools to deliver your digital goods with ease, conquered marketing magic, craft targeted email campaigns, tap into affiliate marketing power, and utilize automation to nurture leads and build lasting relationships, and even tackled sales mastery, design high converting funnels, master the art of upsells and downsells, and personalize the customer journey to boost conversions. This newfound expertise feels like a superpower, and it's itching to be unleashed. But knowledge alone isn't enough. We need a plan, a roadmap to translate these powerful lessons into tangible results. The next steps are where the rubber meets the road, where theory transforms into practice. I see it like building a modern commercial skyscraper or a huge mall with stores of every kind. The foundation is laid, the blueprints are in hand, and now it's time to gather the tools and start constructing. Step 1. First concrete action step based on learning. This might involve further elaboration on Step 1. Step 2. Second concrete action step. Here, I plan to further elaboration on Step 2. These initial steps are just the beginning, of course. As we build, we'll need to adapt, troubleshoot, and maybe even tear down and rebuild in a different corner. That's the beauty of the journey, the constant learning and refinement. And throughout this process, remember, we're not alone. We have the incredible community we forged in this course, a network of fellow adventurers with shared goals and challenges. Let's reach out, support each other, and celebrate each milestone, big or small. So, let's not squander the momentum. Let's grab our newfound skills, our meticulously crafted plan, and dive headfirst into action. Remember, the magic doesn't happen within the confines of this course, it happens out there, in the real world, where we put our learnings to the test and watch them blossom into something truly spectacular. This isn't just the end of a course, it's the beginning of a transformation. Let's go make some things happen.